Welcome to the Birthday Party Planner tutorial by Lluna Designs. To start organizing the party, go to the Setup tab. Here, enter the birthday child's name, date, time, and location of the event. Next, set up guest tags such as family, classmates, or neighbors. You can also select dietary preferences like vegan, nut-free, or gluten-free. Don't forget to assign organizers and helpers to delegate tasks efficiently. The best part? These tags will automatically appear across all sheets. No need to re-enter them. Go to the Birthday Invitations tab and choose one of the 4 available pre-designed templates. The party details will autofill from step 1, so you don't have to type them again. Once you've selected your favorite design, click Print. Select selected cells in the first field and press Next. Then press Print. In the Guest List tab, enter guest names and select their tags, which are auto-filled from step 1. Track the status of invitations, sent or pending, and monitor RSVP responses, attending, unable to attend, or no response. The gift suggestion field automatically updates with each guest's gift as defined in the Gift Ideas tab. You can also add your contact information for easy follow-up. In the Brainstorming tab, you can plan every detail of the party by adding ideas for the theme, cake, decorations, activities, costumes, and gifts for guests. Your selected ideas will be highlighted in green for easy tracking, ensuring everything is visually marked and ready for action. Go to the Gift Ideas tab to list potential gifts for the birthday child. You can add the gift name, reference link, and notes on preferences. Assign the gift to a guest using the drop-down menu. The selection will automatically appear in the Guest List tab, showing who is bringing what. Selected gifts will be underlined in green for easy tracking across all the tabs. Organize your party schedule in the Timeline tab. Use the pre-filled task list or customize your own plan. Mark tasks as completed, and they will automatically be crossed out. All changes instantly sync with the Calendar tab, keeping your planning on track. In the Vendors tab, compare different vendors for cakes, decorations, entertainment, catering, and photography. Once you select a vendor, it will be highlighted in green. The chosen vendor's name and price will automatically update in the Budget tab, helping you visualize spending without manual calculations. Use the Venue Options tab to compare different venue options side by side. Once you select your final venue, it will be highlighted in green. The venue's price will automatically update in the Budget tab, simplifying your financial tracking. Effortlessly track your party finances in the Budget tab. Venue and vendor choices update automatically. The sheet calculates total budget, paid amount, remaining balance, and unassigned expenses. Charts provide a visual breakdown of your spending. In the Calendar tab, you can see all scheduled tasks at a glance. The tab syncs automatically with the Timeline and Budget tabs, displaying tasks on the correct dates. Go to the Food Calculator tab to determine the exact amount of food and drinks needed. First, select the type of food. Then, indicate any special dietary requirements. The number of children and adults is automatically pulled from the Guest List tab based on confirmed attendees. Enter the serving sizes per person, and the sheet will automatically calculate the total amount required. A Notes section is available for any special considerations. Use the Celebration Day tab to plan every key moment of the party. Add or edit key activities as needed. With this automatic planner, organizing a children's party has never been easier. Have fun planning and celebrating.